Okay, now we will do the standard scalar for the attribute age, income, and children. So here, I will give a note here. Now we will standard scalar. The age, income, and children. First, the package is called from sklearn.preprocessing import standard scalar. Import the package standard scalar. And for my habits, I want to make a short term. Make a short term. 缩写 standard scalar， 别忘括号。不要忘记这个括号。So SS means the standard scalar function. Now the age will equal bank age. And the income will equal the bank income. The children will equal the bank children. We just extract these three attributes together and we make it as a bank 2. Pandas data frame and we make it 3 attributes together: age, income, and the children. Why this is without a double quotation? Because this color is directly means the attribute. So we do that. It directly means the attribute: income, children, and age, right? But it's one way dimension attribute. So we combine together as a data frame. So this data frame, we call it bank 2. The bank 2 only have these 3 attributes, right? But these 3 attributes is, the upside down. So we have to transpose. So here, please remember that T, capitalized T, 大写的 T. It means transfer. Then your data, your bank will become like this. This is normal. So this is very important. I will give a note here. So use pandas to combine 3 attributes and transpose 转置 transpose. Transpose 转置 Okay, then will become like this. And next time you want to use SS to fit the data set. So I call that SS.fit bank 2. It means compute the mean and variation. Variant. 标准差或者是变因数 fit then we will transform after fit use transform to transfer the data as then generalization. Okay, so magnitude will become magnitude SS dot transform magnitude. New magnitude transfer as a transform. Then execute. So our magnitude will become just this. This value have already transferred. 标准化 standardization. And the column is missing, right? The column is missing. The column is missing. Are missing. Hence, give the columns name. So back to the columns equal. First is age. The second is income. The third is children. Okay. Okay. So one more time. Colors. 我的 color name 怎么没有呢？哦，OK OK. It cannot be directly transferred because now back to is array. Array cannot be have the name, so you have to transfer. But array can give the name, the color name. Have to transfer as pandas first. So back to equal pandas data frame. Transfer just like data frame first, then give the column. Transfer as a data frame first, then give the column. 这样才可以。你要它是 array 哈，因为你刚刚是三个变数并在一起，它会是two-dimensional array. So two-dimensional array have to transfer as data frame, then give the column name. Okay. If you want to put the data back to the back one, okay, we want to make it back to here. How do we do? Okay, here, make the transfer data back to bank. How do we do? First, our bank age will become bank to age. Our bank income will become bank to income. Third, our bank children equal bank to children. Then our bank will everything it have already 这个就是标准化后的结果，我们看到 it's already transferred, just like this. Okay. Then this the final part of the assignment. So we wanted to save it to the file 2. So how will we do? Back to CSV. Okay. 2.csv. Please upload. And then you will have in place have to index have to be index equal false. Okay, this is file 2. Okay. Remember past year? Oh, SSC. Standard scanner. Insert. This part, yeah, including 这样才完整哈。Make the 3 attributes back to here. We just fit together and transfer text together and back to the attribute. And remember, this is have a CSV2 because the CSV2, which is the 3 attribute is standardized. 所以第一个呢是离散化，第二个是标准化，所以2个档案分开存。第一个是离散化，就是变成高中低，to cut and cut. The second file is standard scalar, so we separate it to save the value and become the 2. So I will give you the time. I will give you the time. Then I will give you the assignment today.